Hey, I'm back with my Thoughtful Thursdays and I hope you all are catching up with episodes. This one, I want to talk about how consumers have added to my life. And this happened last week when I was in Gurgaon. I went to this business guy and we were talking about obviously a category or a brand. But in the moment, he gave me a peek into his life. He started off by saying, मैं तो ज़्यादा पढ़ा हुआ नहीं, maximum he studied till 10th. But today I have an iPhone. And he took his iPhone and he showed him the iPhone was a symbol of how he has arrived in life. It was also signaling that I carry my iPhone to show my status. But the question why I feel he added to my life, because I asked him how he chooses brands. And he said, देखो मैम, आज मेरे पास है ना ये iPhone. उसमें मैं सिर्फ pictures दे, I click pictures, yeah? And ये दिखाने के लिए. But आपको याद है Nokia एक brand था. And we started talking about Nokia as almost like pals, right? And he said वो कितना durable था, बहुत अच्छा phone था. But he said, ma'am, याद है? It was a good brand once upon a time, but it didn't do anything. As a result, Samsung took over. Therefore, a brand has to innovate. A brand has to change. And in the flash of a moment, this guy said, ma'am, it's very simple. Brands have to be visible. I see if other people are using it, right? I don't have to go far. I see if there is an ad on TV. And then I decide. And sometimes we get lost in this about deep thinking, how has he done it and all of that, and we lose the plot. And I was glad that I allowed him to talk and I got my answers and we were happy and we were chatting. It was like, long lost pals chatting. So that was one instance of how he added to my life. The second example that I want to talk about is talking to a bunch of young mothers and we were looking at, innovation and what we can create for them. While the group happened, there was this strong, silent woman and, wouldn't speak. And I let her be. And when I was, I said, okay, we finished talking, let's go home. She came up and she said, I want to talk to you. I said, what happened? She said, I have a pain point. जब हमारे बच्चे छोटे होते हैं, lot of बुजुर्ग लोग want to hold them. But they are also old, right? And their hands are shaking. My biggest fear is what if they drop my child? And oh my God. I said, तो क्या करना है? जैसे ऐसा आप एक प्रोडक्ट बनाओ ना एनवेलप जैसा, तो बच्चा उसमें सिक्योर रहेगा, तो देने में भी हिचकिचाहट नहीं होगी. I said, वाह, आपने ये क्यों नहीं बताया? जैसे नहीं, कभी-कभी लोगों को बुरा लगता है ना, ऐसा जब हम बात करते हैं. But that was the moment of truth. And therefore, when we have these groups of people, we have to create that safe space and intimacy for them to share this deepest thought. And I think that's what she did with me. I was able to create that safe space, non-judgmental space. And that is how she added to my life that, hey, I need to do this a lot more for people to open up. Yeah. And the third thing that I want to talk about is this most funny thing that happened again last week. And that we record our conversations, correct? And not everybody knows that why we are recording. So when we started going for these interviews, people said, नहीं मत करना, record मत करना, कौन है आप, कहाँ से है, journalist है, क्यों कर रहे हैं, IT raid, all sorts of things. And without they saying, I could pick up these cues. And I realized that by mistake, we were just going because we would keep the recorder. Now, just keeping the recorder without an explanation, without a context and background meant that God knows who these guys are. It's just a sting operation. Therefore, we have to be aware of our own behavior, our own, what I would say, awareness about how are we coming across, right? And ultimately, at the bottom line of all is that we are human beings and we look for cues from each other. How are we presenting ourselves when we meet people? Are we going as human beings? Are we going as this hotshot people who are coming to talk to you about your life? Or are we putting up a stance that you are going to enrich my life as well? when you're giving me a peek into your life, I am blessed at that moment. And therefore, I wanted to do this, that I'm blessed that I met these people. They've added to my life. And the humility that I get when I meet these people. And that's what I wanted to share with you, and the joy of meeting consumers. So if you like what I say and you want to know more, keep watching all my episodes.